Good afternoon. This is a look at my survival kit in a tin, in a pot, in a small pot, little titanium pot. I took this kit to Thailand. It was in my check-in luggage. So I went into the hold of the airport and that, and I had no trouble with it. They didn't seem to be mind it. So thought I'd just have a look, see what you think. So, so on the outside, there's the bag, and there's also a buff. I've got a buff inside the outside of the bag, which is a bit of cloth, bandana. Could be a mask. Could be quite handy. I got this one second hand at an op shop, so that's quite a score. So it's pretty full. It's pretty stacked, pretty full. So a few bits in there. This is a Torx 750 mil titanium pot. So let's just get in with all the bits. So there's some silver tape and some gaffer tape. That's a bit of fire starting material. Some little lollies, little lozenges. It's pretty tight. That's another lolly. It's a little fruit lolly, little fruit. Little compass, little button compass. More lollies. This is a little sharpening, sort of like a diamond coated sharpening steel. It's quite handy for things. This is like a survival axe they can get, and it's got a like a little arrowhead, some hex keys, and one of those sort of inserted cutting things, and a saw, and it's got an axe head. You can set it up as an axe. So I just put that in there just as a bit of cutting tool. And this is pretty cool. This is a little titanium, wood stove. So it all goes together, and it can be a little twig stove. It just fits in there. So here's a little ferrocerium rod, and this is one of those little tiny little ceramic blades. So that can scrape the ferrocerium rod, and this has actually got a kit out of a one of those Wahoo survival kits. So it's got a few bits in it from there. Some string, purification tablets, and a bag. So I could put stuff, water. There's a little spoon and just a little plastic knife, spreading things and mixing. Safety pins, a vivid marker, quite handy. So there's some survival tips in there, just some certain things, some survival cards, all with survival information, and they could be used to start a fire. Some sewing needles and small safety pins, lollies. These are like little tabs. You just add a little bit of water, and they fold out into a big cloth. So just good for cleaning up and that. They're not really. You'd have to disinfect them. I think they wouldn't be in for cuts, but just for cleaning up messes. Fire starting tabs. Just break them up and fluff them up, and then get a spark on them, and they'll burn. This is a Leatherman, not for climbing, but just a little carabiner that you could set up on your pack, or just for something just in there, just a little extra. This is a escape and evasion kit. You're supposed to have hidden somewhere, but it's got a little it's got the little lockpick key and a lockpick shiv and a little diamond saw. So, oops. So that's another little kit. So here we go. Some alcohol swabs, some chocolate drink, more chocolate drink. I like my chocolate drinks. Like you could put some savoury stuff in here, like some I think I might have one, or some oxo cubes. I sometimes do. I have oxo cubes in here, and you can make like a salty broth, but I sort of felt like something a bit sweeter, or some hot chocolate drinks to sweeten me up. So your hot chocolate drinks. These are some more aqua tabs for disinfecting water to drink, and there's some sugar, just some sugar capsules, more chocolate. This is a pack of cards, just plain cards, full pack of cards. So it was just something handy to have for you know morale and nothing better to do. More lollies, chocolate clear lollies. And here is a setup for a wood saw, a wire saw, zip ties, metal ties, some more tape, heavy duty gaff tape, more alcohol swab, more zip ties. So I've got the Leatherman Micro. So that's a nice little mini multi-tool, just a handy one. I've got a little tiny little thing just in case, just for little jobs. Whistle is a torch. It's has been used, but it'll be good to go. Big bag of lollies with all sorts of those coffee ones, and propolis manuka ones, and butterscotch, and yeah, manuka ones. This is their little dolphin lighter. They're having kits, so he just keeps pretty good. Start a fire, so that's pretty handy. It actually keeps it's the dolphin ones. They're ones that I haven't had any trouble with them leaking. They stay in this kit. This has been all the way over from all the way from Thailand, and it's months and months sitting there fine. Little fishing kit. This is some of the bits out here out of the Wahoo survival kit. So that's supposed to go in your belt. I could fit that in the belt kit, but I just got it in here. Just it's a little fishing kit with bits and pieces. So that's about it. Just a few little screws in the pot so you could fit it all in, and you could make some make a little wood stove. You'd purify some water, make a chocolate drink. I don't know. What do you reckon? Any good? Needs improvement. So it's got a bit of fire. It's got the saw. All fits in there anyway. I don't know what else I could put in there. It's pretty tight. I'd have to take something out. I mean, it's adaptable. So see what you think. Let me know.